Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Wendy Ida, and you know how I always talk about getting your workout in? You've seen me do many workouts: biking, hiking, running, climbing, jumping, weightlifting, but now I have a new love, swimming. And let me tell you, I am on a roll. I love it. It's such a great full body workout, and I am going to tell you how you can do it too. It might be just the perfect thing for you to get into. First, I gotta get my goggles. Let me do that. It's time to take back your fabulous. Okay, I got it. I am ready to rock and roll. It's on like popcorn. First of all, swimming is a great exercise. It's a good cardio workout. Hear me breathing? Oh, I'm telling you, it's the best. It's low impact. It really works your joints. It helps with your flexibility. I am telling you, it gives a killer cardio workout. I'm stoked, sick, and ready to go again. With me? Are you with me? Yeah. Swimming is an incredible full body workout that offers so many benefits. Let me dive into some of the reasons why I think it's such an amazing form of exercise. Another reason I love swimming is that it builds endurance and strength. Each stroke works different muscle groups, so you're engaging your entire body, from your arms and your shoulders to your core and legs. Every muscle gets a workout. Plus, the resistance of the water adds an extra challenge, helping to build strength and stamina over time. And let's not forget the time-saving aspect of swimming. I'm telling you, you don't have to spend extra time in the gym using and working different muscle groups. You have plenty time to yourself. In 30 minutes, you can have a killer workout in a fraction of the time. Very comprehensive, in fact. I'm ready to go again. Killer! On top of all these physical benefits, swimming is just plain fun. There's something so freeing and relaxing about being in the water. It's a great way to de-stress and rejuvenate your mind and your body. Yes. So, whether you're looking to improve your cardio, build strength and endurance, or have an efficient and fun way to work out, swimming could be your thing. You could grow to love it just like I do. And I love it. Oh boy, I had to get one last lap in. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what else you might want to see from me. I'm Wendy Ida, and I'll see you next video. I work with people around the world. If you want to work with me to improve your life, health, and body, feel free to contact me at wendyida.com.